If you want to change HTTP to HTTPS on Namecheap, this video will walk you through the full process step by step. We'll cover how to log in, find your hosting settings, make sure your SSL certificate is installed, and then turn on the HTTPS redirect so your website loads securely every time. This is one of the most important things you can do for your site because HTTPS helps protect your visitors, improves trust, and can also support better search performance. If this tutorial helps you out, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more quick website and hosting guides. Alright, let's jump in. First, log into your Namecheap account using your email and password. Once you're inside your dashboard, go to Hosting List. This is where you'll find the hosting plan connected to your website. Next, look for the option that says Go to cPanel next to the correct hosting plan. Then click it to open your control panel. Inside cPanel, the first thing you need to confirm is that your SSL certificate is installed for your domain. Without an active SSL certificate, HTTPS won't work properly, so this part is essential. If your certificate is already installed, you're good to move on. If not, you'll need to install or activate it first before continuing. After confirming the SSL certificate, stay inside cPanel and look for the Domains section. Click Domains, then click Domains again if needed to open the full domain management area. Here, find the domain you want to secure. You may see one or more domains listed, so make sure you select the correct one. Once you've found your domain, look for the setting called Force HTTPS Redirect. Turn that option on. This tells your hosting account to automatically send visitors from HTTP to HTTPS, which means anyone typing in the old insecure version of your site will be redirected to the secure version instead. After enabling it, give it a moment to take effect, then open your website in a browser and check that it now loads with HTTPS in the address bar. If everything is set up correctly, your site should redirect automatically and display the secure padlock icon. If it doesn't work right away, refresh the page, clear your browser cache, and double-check that the SSL certificate is properly installed and active. And that's it. You've now changed HTTP to HTTPS redirect. This is a simple but powerful step that helps secure your website and improve the overall experience for your visitors. If this guide helped, please like the video and subscribe for more easy tutorials just like this one.